Hey guys, Tina here, the Critical Virgo. Today is December 1st. I bought myself a little something, a little Black Friday special, if you will. And I am in the kitchen, but we're gonna go into that in a second. I'm just gonna make myself a little comfortable over here. So we moved into this house not long ago and the whole kitchen got completely redone. We decided to go with open shelving, so we have no upper cabinets, and counter space is at a premium. I see all these people posting videos about air fryers and toaster ovens and yada yada. We don't have a microwave, just know that, okay? So when I heat up food, I'm really forced to either put it in the oven or cook it in a pan to warm it up. We do have a 2-slice toaster, but yeah, I'm not a huge fan of that. I really want to replace it. I wanted an air fryer. I do have a slow cooker that's stored underneath in one of the lower cabinets, but that's not what I bought. I bought this, okay? And the reason why I decided to go with this was because it's a toaster oven and an air fryer. So it like checks off both boxes. How well it does both of them, I don't know, but the reviews seemed pretty positive. I will do an in-depth review about a month in. I'm gonna cook something a little later. I will show you the kitchen so you know what I'm working with and you can understand my struggle. So here we go. We got a little island over here. Fridge, and then some upper shelving. This is literally the only storage we have for plates and cups. We do keep some in the lower cabinets, but we do not have a lot of counter space, as you can see. Looks a little crowded over there right now because I got a lot of bread and yada yada, okay? Now, you make your way over. We got the sink, stove. This is the last bit of open counter space, and this has just kind of been where we keep everything. I know that carousel has no spices in it, and I gotta work on that. And then we got like a little area where we eat, and yeah, all our cabinets. So, as you can see, the struggle is real. I am going to set this up. I will put you guys on the tripod, so just give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. It's in this way. Okay. So we got these little balls are gonna drive me nuts. The little styrofoam pieces that fall off. Ugh. So it looks like we got 2 things here. Got like a, oh, this is one thing. It's an air fry basket. Like really light, by the way. There's one thing I'm worried about, and that is the cord length. I know it's 24 inches on this, but when I looked at like the photos online, it doesn't tell you what side the cord is on. So it's really gonna either make or break my setup in like 2 different ways. All right, because you guys saw, I have like no space. Got some more goodies here. What do we got? What do we got? We got some racks. Okay. We got 2 of those, and I got the air fry basket. And then I got some pans. Yay. It's actually a pretty decent sized pan. It's not like a teeny tiny oven, which I'm loving. And then we got the crumb tray. That'll go on the bottom. Let me just put the stuff in the box. Should mention, this comes with a 2-year warranty. I remember when I was like looking this up, and I typically don't do like household items, but when I was looking this up, I always go to like YouTube for first-hand reviews, and nobody covered this model. I don't know if it's because like it's new for Black & Decker, But yeah. Oh, this is so short. How is this even 24 inches? Like, for real? 24 inches from where? Ugh, that's gonna be so annoying. Let's see. So already I'm a little annoyed. I just don't see how they say this is 24 inches. Like, for real? From where? It's like 24 from the base, the very, very base, which is under. So you can't even count that. It's more like 20, just so you know. And it is on the right-hand side, which is where I did not want it to be. A little upset with that. Let me move some stuff around over here and make room. This is not gonna work for me here. What is the best way to do this? I need an extension cord. There's just no way about this. I don't even know if this is like safe, but I cannot live with this thing in like that location the way it was. Like, I get it. I get why they do that, but I can't. Like, that would drive me nuts. All right, so here we go. Hi, looks like this. It's very quiet, don't have it on yet. Definitely gonna have to put something on that crumb tray because I already know it's gonna get disgusting. But I like all the trays and the options. They give you 2 of these trays. So lots of options over there. And I'll check back in with you guys. Today is the day after my unboxing from yesterday. I actually had a snafu and the food didn't come out as expected. Actually, this just stopped. I think it's because I didn't read the directions. Yeah, it's kind of reading's fundamental, right? So today I read the directions on French fries and chicken wings. So I decided to do it again. So this is day 2, which that I'm not too excited about, but I feel like following the instructions really helped. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like in there, and then I'm going to come back for a little taste test. You can still hear it bubbling. It's pretty crazy. And I think I went a little crazy with the fries. So yeah, let me put these on a plate and let them cool off for a second so I don't burn my mouth, and I will tell you guys what I think. All right, so here's the final product. We've got French fries that sound pretty crunchy, and then some wings that look really good. I haven't tried them, and I changed my shirt because I didn't want to get my work shirt dirty, but gonna give it a try. I'm a big sauce fan, so here goes some ketchup and just a little bit of hot sauce for my wings. I did put on some cayenne pepper on my fries, so that should be interesting. Yesterday, I made the mistake. I put all this down on the flat tray because the air fry basket has a lot of holes in it, and I was afraid of all the juices from the chicken falling down and dripping onto the coils that are on the bottom, and I was trying to avoid that. So what ended up happening was the chicken just really never got crispy. Oh my God, this is so juicy. This is like crazy juicy. I don't even know if it'll come up on camera. There you go. As I burn my finger. But so nothing got crispy. And then I put it in the air, like I set it on the air fryer in the basket, and it never got as crispy as I wanted it to, and I think that I messed up by doing that. So, oh my God. That's crispy. It has some good crunch to it. Obviously, it doesn't have like that peanut deep oil flavored, but it has like amazing crunch. I'm very happy with that. Definitely this turned out better than yesterday. Wow. Following directions is so key, let me tell you. That is so good. Overall, I'm super happy with this, and I think I made the right decision by giving this another go and not showing you the video from yesterday, because I had a strong feeling that it was user error. I've never had a machine like this before, and clearly it was, because today I read the instructions and I followed them. So the end result was as it was supposed to be. I am going to use this every day for every meal for the next month, and I'll check back with you guys and let you know how it goes and give you like a thorough review. This was just like a semi first impressions, because yesterday was just a snafu. And if you have any questions, or if you want me to cover anything specific next month, then put that down below. And don't forget to subscribe so you get notified when I do upload that video. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Again, just put this one up there because nobody else reviewed it. Bye guys.